customer that had a problem with her AC. I think I was there last year. I think I might have juiced it up. I'm not sure. I think she got an old carrier system over there. But anyway, she's calling me that she got no AC. And obviously been running it all weekend. Told her, fucking people are so stupid. I mean, if the system's not working, shut it off. But nope, they keep it running all fucking weekend. Unbelievable. People are just stuck on stupid, Molly. Kind of really pisses me off. It's like, how can people be so stupid? If the system's not working, just shut it off. You're going to burn it out. Well, you could burn it out. No? None of them get it. But anyway, we're going to go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it for this lady. Probably the filters are nasty. Guarantee that. Another damsel in distress.
Never gets down to 72. It'll stay like at 78.
So it is cooling, it's just not.
Yes, exactly. And I went up on a ladder and I saw that like air was coming out of the vents and it was cool air.
Okay, but it just on a real hot day, it's not keeping up.
Exactly.
All right, then maybe it just needs a charge. That's what I'm hoping. Why don't you go turn it on and we'll check it.
Turn it on? Okay.
Yeah, turn it on and we'll check it. Probably just needs a...
Yep.
So the filters are clean, right?
Filters are clean. I did that since the last episode.
All right, good. I'm glad.
Thursday.
Let's see what's going on with it. Probably just low and needs a little loving, Mama. She needs a little loving. Even the fat chicks need a little loving. She thinks it needs a little charge, is what she thinks. Needs a little. Probably needs a little. How you doing? Yeah, compressor started. Compressor started. Old Magic Chef. It's an old Magic Chef.
You're gonna put grease on, or whatever you call it.
I could put it in there. This is the R22 stuff.
Yeah.
Not cheap.
So what should I do? I have to do it, right?
Well, I could do it. You're looking at $150 a pound for this shit. They stopped production on it. They don't make it anymore.
Oh.
Not going to be cheap to fill it.
So what would it be to fill it?
4 or 5 pounds, something like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what should I do?
It's either that or you put a new system in.
How much is that?
12 grand.
Oh God, I'm not spending that. So I have to just do this other.
Well, I mean.
Do you have to fill it all the way?
Well, you gotta set it. We're at 20 here, so she's pretty low.
Yeah. But she.
All right, she wants to put some in this thing. You can see that it's not iced up. Give it a little juice. Definitely low. No, they stopped making it. They stopped production on it. It's your government for you.
And then how much is a new furnace? I mean, eventually I gotta put it up.
Yeah, you got a lot of issues here.
Yeah. How much is a new furnace?
That's an oil-fired boiler. It's not a furnace.
Huh?
That's an oil-fired boiler with a power venter.
Yeah.
I mean, I could get you a price on it.
Yeah.
You know. Well, that's not a furnace, it's a boiler.
Yeah.
The storage tank is the water heater's okay still.
That heater, that was replaced like probably maybe 8 years ago. 12 years ago or something like that. But this thing is going to tell us.
No, I weigh the tank. I got a scale in the truck, and I weigh it.
Monitor telling us.
This is telling us pressures and temperatures.
Yeah.
And feel it's starting to come out warm now. We're not charged yet, but you can feel the difference already. Feel the heat coming out. We have to set this superheat in subcooling. Feel that?
Yeah.
That's going to work a lot better. Once I get it all dialed in, I got to bring this.
And that's called superheat.
Well, we got to set the superheat on this thing. Let me get it dialed in for you, okay?
Yep.
The filters are clean, you said, right?
Yes. And they weren't that dirty when I took them out, but I threw them away. I had one sit, so I got like a warm.
Subcooling is a little high here.
But that's what would make it not bring the temperature down in the house.
Yeah, without the refrigerant, it's not going to work right.
So should I should have you come like next summer to check it?
Yeah, unfortunately, you got a leak here.
Yeah.
I mean, you've got a leak somewhere. You're going to have to keep adding it, either that or put a new system in.
Okay. All right. Just get me through the rest of the season.
It's been flipping hot, huh? Crazy hot.
It's been hot. This is the most ridiculous.
Keep an eye on this.
I mean, I like the warm weather, but like this has been too much. I can't wait for the fall.
It's really been a hot year this year. Probably gonna have to hit this coil with a garden hose too. This one. Probably gonna have to hit this outside coil with a garden hose. You got a garden hose here?
That's warm now. Huh?
Well, let me set it.
Okay.
Gotta bring this superheat down. System's got non-condensables in there. Some more. Was I here last year or the year before to put gas in it? Last year. Might have been 2 years.
Yeah.
I don't think it was last year.
It wasn't last year because I remember you checked it 2 years, like not last summer, but the summer before, and you said the ozone was okay. So it has to be. It's been running so much.
Well, obviously you got a leak. I mean, I don't know how bad it is or where it is, or an old system like this, it's not worth trying to fix it.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see how it goes.
System. You know, as we get older, sometimes we leak.
Oh, God. Everything changes when you get older.
Yeah. Cooling's really high there.
I never even knew the air out of that would be so warm.
Really high subcooling. Look at that for head pressure. hit it with a garden hose, but we got really high head pressure here. But I mean, that's the best I can get it right there, 25 on a superheat. But I'm gonna hit it with the garden hose on the way out, but it's gonna work like that. Suction at 70, 78. A superheat at 25. Subcoolant's pretty high there, but like I said, I'm gonna hit this with the garden hose on the way out.
Spray it?
Got nice hot air. Yeah, I'm gonna spray it on the way out.
Okay.
Yeah, once I put away my refrigerant cans and whatnot.
Shut it off while you're spraying it, or it doesn't matter.
Probably wouldn't hurt. Don't hurt to give this every so often. Give this a good hosing like this, okay?
Okay.
Nothing that's gonna bend the fins, but
yeah, just a light like that, right?
Yeah, you wanna, if there's any dirt in there, you wanna blow it out.
Yep.
Clean.
Blow it out with my blower?
No, with this, with the hose.
Okay.
That's gonna drop your subcoolant way down. That's gonna drop the subcoolant way down. Well, I mean, you got a leak somewhere. Don't look crazy dirty, the coil. No, you got a leak somewhere, ma'am. It's leaking out. It's an old system. You don't want to spend the money on a new system, so I mean, what are you gonna do? Flipping moss. Even moss is growing in here. Lack of maintenance. Crazy. Well, I'm trying to get the buildup out of the bottom there, the dirt. You know, 20 years of, 30 years of buildup in there, moss and dirt. The right fan in there or what the story is, but head pressure is pretty high. Try to clean it the best I can. Flipping moss from hell here. Flipping moss. Moss from hell. What are you going, Lena? Yelena.